Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Xie Yuwei is a well-known Hakka pop singer and painter. He was born in 1969 to parents who hail from Xinu Township in Taoyuan County. While working as a music director for a local radio station, he made Hakka music more youth-friendly, with famous albums including Standing Alone Under the Flowers. Xie was also named Best Hakka Singer at the 2004 Golden Melody Awards.
Welcome to another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And right now in the background, you're hearing a song in Hakka. I think it's called Angku Angku. 对不对？这首歌，
对，就叫 Angku Angku。Angku
Angku 是什么意思 ？Uncle Uncle 吗？
不是啦，
不是吧？
它是指那个客家话的小宝宝的意思。
So Angku Angku is a different way of calling a baby in Hakka, and that's the title of this song. 然后这首歌呢是谁唱的呢？
恰意為。
恰意為就是謝宇威，对不对？
对。
其实我对謝宇威还算有点小熟悉耶，访问过他
啊，是啊，
謝宇威嘛，
对，
他其实在这个客家流行音乐当中呢，他做了很多贡献呢。This guy's actually been around for a little while, and he's made a lot of contributions to the pop music scene for Hakka music.
可是你知道吗？他以前不是学音乐的
啊，真的哦，
他是学画画美术的。
Oh no way！
因为他爸爸是一个很有名的画家，叫做谢孝德，谢老师。
Okay, so this guy again, his name is 謝宇威。
恰意為
and even though he is indulged in the music scene nowadays, but his original talent comes from painting because his father is also a very famous painter in Taiwan. But apparently he has a lot of artistic talent. 就表示这位謝宇威呢，他在艺术方面呢非常有才华了，而且听说他当时也曾经担任这个电台的音乐总监呢。
对
不对？
所以就是他把客家歌的音乐就变得比较年轻化了一点，
比较流行一点了流行音乐客家话怎么说啊？
流行音樂。
Okay, that is pop music. And I was just mentioning how this guy is so talented. He was actually the music director for the Hakka radio station for a little while. 顺便介绍一下电台怎么说？
天台。
That's a radio station. He was involved in that as well. And nowadays, he's just all totally dedicated to music making. In fact, he's been nominated at the Golden Melody several times and received an award back in 2004. 再讲一下他的名字怎么说？
恰意
為 And enjoy this song by 謝宇威 called Angku Angku. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自say 張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.